Thank you very much. Very good morning to all of you. Just a change in order. I was not supposed to speak in between the program. In fact, I was supposed to talk after almost an hour of program, but the sudden change is because of certain guests who might be joining us very soon. So I am taking this opportunity to just have few words with respect to the institution. Firstly, I would like to welcome all the honorable and distinguished guests, parents, teachers, our beloved students, representatives of press, media, ladies and gentlemen. This is indeed a proud privilege to host such a kind of a program wherein we are having gathering of erudite and eminent thinkers, academicians, bureaucrats, and people who have achieved success in their respective fields. So thank you for making it convenient for today's morning program, and I'm really thankful, and on behalf of Genius Kids would like to extend our sincere gratitude for this. A bit about Genius Kids. Genius Kids focuses on preparing all the children with the latest and updated knowledge to become an important and integral part of this exciting and fast changing world. At Genius Kids, we follow the philosophy of our own Sri Rabindranath Tagore. That is, the true education system encouraging the cultivation of power of acquiring ideas through independent efforts of critically appraising them, assimilating them and using what have been learned by kids, who are the future of our nation. We believe in education which develops the power of imagination rather than memorizing or strong information, which are related, and thus developing a habit of constant curiosity, alertness in the mind of every child who are nurtured our bed. The wholesome education is based on training of all the senses along with the mind instead of cramming the brain with memorized knowledge, and that is what we expect from all the parents who are present today. This is not a speech, rather I am sharing the views and ideas which are really important not only for the institution but also for the parents as a whole, so that it is practiced and nurtured at each and every household wherein the kids spend the maximum time of their life, that is with their parents. I would also like to express the great responsibilities that we bear to our society and the country as an institution, wherein we focus and envisage ourselves in creating the future of tomorrow, who possess the vision, the leadership, the conviction, the knowledge, the culture, and above all, the discipline in life. The theme of today's congregation annual concert of Genius Kids is Unity in Diversity. Well, while USP of our country is unity in diversity, and any of the play schools such as Genius Kids, even nowadays, the pediatricians, child specialists, doctors, they also say that celebrating birthdays and various festivals bring joy among the kids and brings happiness, which directly nourishes the brain development. Taking cue from this, kids at the Genius Kids are encouraged to celebrate various forms of celebrations, festivals such as New Year's of different communities, Poila Boishakh in Bengali, Gudi Padwa of Marathi, Thapna of Marwari, Yugadi of the people of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, and so on. With such multicultural programs, children get the opportunity to explore different and unique traditions and customs. Like many of the leading institutions and play schools, specifically preschools, Genius Kids also envisages various forms of multicultural and multidimensional activities, wherein the toddlers are made to do such kind of activities which gradually allow them to grow with the interest in all kind of cultural across the country. Before I finish, I would just like to leave with few questions for all of you to answer. And these questions are applicable for all of us, including me. Are we doing anything extra to bring happiness for our kids? Think it in a very, very positive and very, very in-depth manner. Can the festivals and occasions and multiculturalism bring any change in life of our kids and hence bringing change in the life of our home and then to society and then to our country? Are we as a parent are happy for what we offer to our kids and what we do with respect to our kids? Are we fulfilling our responsibilities towards society and thus teaching our kids the same way? And there can be many such questions. But together, believe us, together we can bring change. So today at this momentous occasion of the annual concert of Genius Kids, I would request all of you to take an oath today to make life happier and comfortable, not only for our own kids, but also for the less unfortunate kids or the less unfortunate ones. This city has given us a lot. This city has produced the best of the legions of the world. Now it is our turn, it is our kids' turn to give back to something to our society. Thank you very much. Enjoy the function today.